Hi guys, and welcome back to Weininger Racing. Today I got a little project on Greenie, and it's not under the hood today. Today I started taking apart the interior here because what I'm going to be doing is putting these seats in. Now these seats came out of my son's C10 over there, and if you watched his videos you know that he stripped that entire interior to get it ready to put a cage in it. I picked up these sticks, an 1 3/4 chrome ollie, and later in the week I'll be bending that up and start assembling his cage. But along with building a race car, well, you don't need these luxury seats, so we're going to put those in Greenie, so I have a little bit better than what I took out of there. This I don't know what was with these seats. We had somebody using this truck that I mean, it was just, there's absolutely nothing left. When I was sitting in that bench seat there, I think I was sitting all the way to the ground. So it was quite a struggle actually to get these out. I know they use some kind of Loctite when they assemble these trucks. You can see whatever that yellow is. I'm sure it started out as white, but instead of thread locker they should have just called that thread welder. I literally had to use a breaker bar to get these bolts out of here. So we got this neat little machine here, and I hope it works. I'm going to spend whatever it takes to get this carpet cleaned up. I'm not going to film it because that's not exciting to you guys, so I will be coming back after I spend a little time on this, and we'll see what kind of job I do on this carpet, and then we'll work on mounting these nice seats in there. And what I'm thinking, I'm probably just going to put the driver's side in today because I have a stereo system that I used to have in my 85 Chevy truck, and I want to mount the amps back on that back wall there. So, but I got to be able to drive this truck tomorrow, so I'll probably just put in the one seat today, work on installing the stereo system, and when that gets all put together, then I can mount the next seat in there and the center console. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'll bring you guys back after I get the carpet clean. Well guys, I quickly learned that this thing is great for applying the soap, and I pretty much saturated all the carpet with that, but if you really want to clean, that's a good little tool if your poodle tinkles on the carpet or something like that. But this is Greenie. Greenie's got over 25 years of dirt getting pressed into this carpet, so we got the soap in there. Now I'm going to break out the big gun and blast this thing clean, then I'll be able to use my shop vac to suck the moisture out, and yeah, that's how we're going to do it. I have no idea what is coming out of this carpet. Look at that. It is a never-ending mess right there. What in the world is going on there? Maybe somebody had an accident with a gallon of laundry detergent or something, and they dumped it all right there. But I'm going to work on this for a bit, and we'll be back. So I literally used that pressure washer and sprayed this till all the soap came out of the carpet. There was probably 25 years of people trying to clean this and soap piled up in here. Got an awfully dark tea which is all the dirt coming out of it. So I sprayed it until there was absolutely nothing but clean water coming out. So now the chore is going to be to get it dry, and I do got a shop vac, and I'm going to work on that for a bit, get it as dry as I can. Well, I'll tell you what, this came out much better than it looked before. I did manage to get quite a bit of moisture out. It's still damp, but that's to be expected. It's going to have to dry a bit through evaporation, but I'm ready to mount this driver's seat in here. I did notice that these seats actually have the seat belts built right in. So I had to pull out this seat here, this seat belt, and that left some dirty carpet. So I had to do a little redo in that corner there. But man, this interior is starting to look good. Can't wait to get this seat mounted. I'm going to throw it on in there, see how it works, and hope I don't have to do too much fabrication. It's a Sunday, and I don't want to be out here all day, but we are going to get one of these seats in. So I'll be back in a jiffy. Well guys, a little update here. I put the seat in here, and see, I'm 6'3", so I need some room here. And I discovered a little problem. Remember I said didn't want to get into fabrication today? Well, let me show you guys something. See this? There's a hump right here, and there is a matching one right here. And I'm like, well, okay, so I'll cut that hump out of there, no big deal, right? Well, let me show you guys what that hump is for. See this gas tank? That gas tank goes all the way up into that hump. It's a huge gas tank for this heavy duty truck that Chevy built. But I got a problem. Unless I either modify the seat, which I was looking at. If I can modify the seat to go around that hump. But as you can see, this is the hump right here. That's the frame of the seat. It is back as far as it will go. And this other one's going to have problems here also. So if I can somehow modify the seat to go up and sit on top of here, and then leave that one down to floor level, or see if I can't get another gas tank, or I think the ticket's probably going to be the seat, but I'm not going to get into that today. I hooked up electricity here. Seat works fine, but it's not fitting, and I'm not going to get into cutting up the seat or the truck today. So I'm going to leave it right here for today, and we'll figure this out. We made some progress. We got the place cleaned out, the carpet is in good shape, and now I know I got work to do. So anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Like I said, we are going to be seeing Rally Bug, but that 1 3/4 tubing is going to get bent. I borrowed these dies from a friend of mine, so I'm really itching to get going on the frame, the cage that has to go on my son's truck here. He's got it all cleaned up, ready to go. I got enough tubing there to do the back hoop and maybe these front hoops here. Got to do door bars. There's a lot to do. We got to do a 10-point cage in that because because we're going to be running into the 9s, so that's going to be fun. I want to get on that, but Greenie's got to be a running truck, so we'll get it figured out. It's coming together. I wanted to get that stereo in there too. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.